got a small car or SUV, we've got an awesome winter package put together for you guys. We've got 2 different American Racing all-black winter wheel options available, paired with either the NT90W NITTO winter tire or the SN2. Both very similar specs. They both use crushed walnuts built into the tread compound to offer extra traction on ice. The crushed walnuts act sort of like mini studs built into the tread compound, which are going to give you that extra bite when you're on black ice or any slippery surfaces. The American Racing wheels paired with the NITTO winter tires, there's savings of over $200 on a set. Stop into Cap It this year and get your winter tires on your vehicle.
Cap It.